1Staff front office comes with a variety of different dashboards. So we have dashboards, for instance, for account managers, compliance, marketing, tracking new candidates, for onboarding, offboarding, for recruiting, and so on. And you can actually design these very quickly as an end user and deploy more. And you can work solely from a dashboard and drill down to all the pertinent records and build it around your day. For example, I've got my active work lists here and drill down on those. I can search them. I can export it to Excel, all from this single dashboard. Here I've got a chart view. And again, I can quickly filter the records. Maybe I want to view this by account. And then maybe I want to drill down on these transactions, quickly search or complete an action. This is just an example of a dashboard, but how easy is it to edit and deploy a new one? Well, first of all, if I click New, you can see I can deploy a Dynamics 365 dashboard which contains these native charting elements, but I could actually even deploy a Power BI dashboard here as well. If I click that, it's going to guide me through designing this dashboard. What do I want in terms of the format and presentation? I won't create a new one. What I can do basically is edit this one. And you can see I've got 4 components. I can have different charts and different lists, just simply pick them and drag them in. Or I could create or add a web resource or a Power BI tile. And I've got some smarts here as well. I could add something like social insights, or I've got my little AI or assistant. So I can add those different components, build my dashboard, save it. Very powerful.